Many Americans are unaware that they may be entitled to extra Social Security benefits, sometimes hundreds or even thousands of dollars a month. These benefits are often overlooked because of confusion about eligibility, filing procedures, and how benefits are calculated. Whether you are currently married, divorced, or a surviving spouse, knowing how these rules work can significantly improve your financial security. This guide will walk you through spouse benefits, divorced spouse benefits, independently entitled divorced spouse benefits, and surviving spouse benefits. By understanding these benefits, you can make informed decisions about when and how to file to maximize your monthly payments. Even small changes in filing strategy can lead to substantial increases in your Social Security income over time, ensuring that you are not leaving money on the table due to misunderstandings or missed opportunities. The basics of spouse benefits. Spouse benefits are designed to supplement Social Security income for individuals who may have earned less than their partner over their working years. If you are married, you may be eligible for spouse benefits based on your partner's work record, but there are specific rules to understand. First, you must file for benefits on your own record before claiming spouse benefits. Your own benefit amount must be less than half of your spouse's benefit at their full retirement age. Many people mistakenly assume they can simply compare monthly benefit checks, but Social Security calculations use the primary insurance amount, PIA, which represents the benefit you would receive at full retirement age. Understanding the PIA is crucial because it determines eligibility for additional spouse benefits and ensures you receive the correct supplemental amount. Understanding primary insurance amount, PIA. The primary insurance amount, or PIA, is the foundation for calculating Social Security benefits. This amount represents the benefit you would receive at full retirement age based on your earnings history. Many people make the mistake of looking at their current monthly benefit, which may be reduced if claimed early. To accurately determine eligibility for spouse or surviving spouse benefits, you must know your PIA and your spouse's PIA. You can access this information by creating a My Social Security account online or by contacting Social Security directly. Checking these numbers ensures you don't overlook additional benefits you are entitled to. Even a small misunderstanding about which figure to use can mean missing out on hundreds of dollars each month. Accurate knowledge is the first step toward maximizing your benefits and financial stability. How spouse benefit calculations work. Once you know your PIA and your spouse's PIA, you can calculate how much you are eligible to receive as a spouse benefit. The maximum spouse benefit is 50% of the spouse's PIA if you claim at full retirement age. However, you do not receive the full 50% in addition to your own benefits. Instead, Social Security calculates the difference between half of your spouse's PIA and your own benefit, which is added to your existing benefit. For example, if your PIA is $1,000 and your spouse's PIA is $3,000, half of your spouse's PIA is $1,500. The difference of $500 is added to your $1,000 benefit, giving you a total of $1,500. Timing is also critical because claiming before full retirement age reduces your benefit proportionally. Strategic planning ensures you maximize the additional income without unnecessary reductions. Benefits for divorced spouses. Divorced spouse benefits provide another opportunity to increase Social Security income. To qualify, you must have been married to your ex for at least 10 years. The same PIA-based calculations apply, meaning you must file for your own benefits first. A common misconception is that remarriage or the passage of time affects eligibility, but as long as you meet the 10-year rule, you may claim benefits on your ex's record. One exception exists. If you remarry the same person after a prior divorce, Social Security may combine your marriage periods to reach the 10-year requirement. Many people are unaware of this rule, and having the correct information can make a significant difference. Knowledge of these rules prevents missed opportunities for supplemental income, which can be critical for retirement planning and financial security. Independently entitled divorced spouse benefits. Independently entitled divorced spouse benefits allow you to claim benefits on a former spouse's record, even if they are not currently receiving benefits themselves. To qualify, the divorce must have lasted at least 2 years, the former spouse must be at least 62, and you must have been married for 10 years. Filing on your own record first is required, and your PIA must be less than half of your ex's PIA for eligibility. This rule is often misunderstood, and many Social Security representatives may give incorrect information. Calling and verifying your eligibility ensures you do not miss out on benefits you have earned. Establishing a filing date, known as protective filing, is particularly important because it guarantees that your benefits are calculated from the date of your initial request rather than the appointment date, ensuring you receive any back pay owed. Protective filing for divorced spouses. Protective filing is a strategy designed to safeguard your benefits while waiting for documentation or appointments. When you contact Social Security to inquire about divorced spouse benefits, they can establish a protective filing date, which serves as the official start date for benefits. This ensures that any back pay owed for the waiting period is included in your total payout. You do not need to have all documents ready before calling. Social Security will provide guidance on which documents to gather for your appointment. Using protective filing ensures you do not lose benefits while preparing paperwork and helps you plan strategically. Establishing this date early is particularly important for those who may be eligible for additional income from an ex-spouse's record and prevents months of lost benefits. Common misconceptions about divorced spouse benefits. Many people worry that claiming divorced spouse benefits will impact their ex's benefits or their new spouse's benefits, but this is not the case. Your eligibility is based solely on your prior marriage and your PIA, independent of the ex-spouse's current marital status or benefit situation. Additionally, you do not need your ex to be collecting benefits for you to be eligible. The rules are designed to provide fair access to benefits based on your work history and prior marriage. Misunderstanding these rules leads to lost opportunities for supplemental income. By verifying the PIA and your eligibility with Social Security, you can ensure you receive every dollar you are entitled to, even if your ex remarried or has additional dependents. Clear knowledge of the rules prevents misinformation and maximizes financial security. Surviving spouse benefits. Surviving spouse benefits are a vital part of Social Security that provide financial support to individuals whose spouse has passed away. Unlike standard spouse benefits, the eligibility rules for surviving spouse benefits are different. Generally, you must have been married for at least 9 months to qualify, though exceptions exist for cases such as accidental death or military service. The maximum benefit is up to 100% of the deceased spouse's Social Security benefit if claimed at full retirement age. The earliest age to claim these benefits is 60 or 50 if you are disabled. For those already receiving spouse benefits when a spouse passes away, payments automatically convert to surviving spouse benefits, ensuring continuity of income. Timing plays a critical role in maximizing the monthly amount. Claiming early results in reduced payments, whereas waiting until full retirement age preserves the full benefit. Understanding these rules helps secure financial stability during a difficult time. Timing and strategic considerations. Timing is one of the most important factors when planning Social Security benefits. Claiming benefits before full retirement age reduces your monthly payment, while delaying benefits increases the total payout due to delayed retirement credits. This applies to all types of Social Security benefits, including spouse, divorced spouse, and surviving spouse benefits. For surviving spouses, a common strategy involves filing for benefits on your own record first, while allowing the surviving spouse benefit to grow until full retirement age. Life events, such as changes in an ex-spouse's earnings or passing, can affect eligibility, so regular monitoring is crucial. Periodically checking with Social Security ensures you are always aware of potential benefits. Strategic planning can prevent missed opportunities and ensures that you maximize your lifetime benefits, avoiding unnecessary reductions caused by early or poorly timed filings. Benefits for widows and widowers. Widows and widowers have access to specific Social Security provisions designed to maintain financial stability after the loss of a spouse. Eligible individuals can claim benefits as early as age 60 or age 50 if they are disabled. The system first determines whether you qualify for benefits based on your own work record. If your personal benefit is less than the amount you would receive as a surviving spouse, Social Security pays the difference. Timing is essential. Filing early reduces the monthly benefit, while waiting until full retirement age preserves the full payout. For individuals already collecting spouse benefits when the spouse passes away, payments automatically convert to surviving spouse benefits. Understanding these options and planning strategically can prevent missed income. Properly managing this transition ensures long-term financial security and continuity of funds during a challenging period. Checking eligibility regularly. Eligibility for Social Security benefits can change over time due to various factors, including age, changes in a spouse's or ex-spouse's work record, or the passing of a spouse. Regularly reviewing eligibility is essential to avoid leaving money unclaimed. Even if you were previously denied benefits, circumstances may change, allowing you to become eligible later. Contacting Social Security at least every 6 months helps you track potential opportunities for supplemental income. This proactive approach ensures that you capture back pay when eligible and maximize lifetime benefits. Periodic eligibility checks are especially important for those relying on spouse, divorced spouse, or surviving spouse benefits, as these categories are subject to specific timing and documentation rules. Staying informed and vigilant can make a significant difference in long-term financial stability and retirement planning. Avoiding common errors. Many people make mistakes when filing for Social Security benefits by relying on their current monthly payment rather than the primary insurance amount, PIA. Misunderstandings about eligibility criteria, filing order, and required documentation often result in missed benefits. Protective filing, tracking deadlines, and verifying calculations with Social Security representatives help prevent these errors. This is particularly important for divorced or surviving spouse benefits, which are more complex and frequently misunderstood. Avoiding mistakes ensures you receive all the benefits to which you are entitled without unnecessary delays or reductions. Careful planning, accurate calculations, and confirmation with Social Security representatives can safeguard your benefits and prevent common filing mistakes that could cost you hundreds or even thousands of dollars over time. Planning for financial security. Social Security benefits are a critical component of retirement planning. Understanding the rules for spouse, divorced spouse, and surviving spouse benefits is essential for long-term financial security. Careful planning, strategic timing, and regular monitoring of eligibility can significantly increase your monthly income. Each person's situation is unique, so personalized planning is important to maximize benefits while minimizing reductions. By consulting with Social Security representatives, reviewing primary insurance amounts, and planning strategically, you ensure that you do not leave money unclaimed. Well-informed decisions about filing and timing can provide supplemental income that strengthens your financial foundation. Accurate planning gives peace of mind and ensures that you are fully utilizing the benefits you have earned throughout your working years. Taking action. Maximizing Social Security benefits requires proactive action. Contact Social Security to verify your primary insurance amount. Ask about eligibility for spouse or divorced spouse benefits, and establish protective filing dates if necessary. Gather all required documents and carefully follow instructions provided by Social Security representatives. Monitoring potential eligibility changes regularly, especially for surviving spouse benefits, ensures you capture any opportunities to increase income. Accurate record keeping, understanding filing rules, and strategic planning are essential steps to ensure that you receive all the benefits you are entitled to. Taking action early and systematically prevents lost income, strengthens your financial position, and provides a more secure and stable retirement. Proactive engagement with Social Security is the key to maximizing long-term benefits. Strategies for surviving spouse benefits. For surviving spouses, strategic planning can make a significant difference in lifetime Social Security income. One common approach is to file for benefits on your own record while delaying the surviving spouse benefit until full retirement age, allowing the monthly payment to reach its maximum. This method ensures you have access to income now while preserving the full benefit for later. It is also important to periodically review changes in eligibility, as a surviving spouse benefit may become available if circumstances change. Understanding and applying these strategies can prevent missed opportunities and maximize your financial security. Knowledge of timing rules, PIA calculations, and protective filing ensures that you capture every dollar available under Social Security. Surviving spouse and disability considerations. Disabled surviving spouses have additional options for claiming benefits. If you are between the ages of 50 and 59 and meet the disability criteria, you may be eligible for early benefits before the standard age of 60. Social Security will first determine if you are entitled to benefits on your own record, and if those are lower than the deceased spouse's benefit, they calculate the difference. This provision provides crucial financial support to disabled survivors, allowing them to access income earlier than usual. Understanding eligibility rules, required documentation, and the timing of filing ensures that disabled surviving spouses maximize their benefits. Planning carefully and checking eligibility regularly safeguards income and prevents missed opportunities for early payments. Regular review and adjustments. Even after initial filing, it is essential to regularly review your Social Security benefits. Life events, such as changes in your ex-spouse's or deceased spouse's status, earnings adjustments, or health developments, may affect eligibility or benefit amounts. Periodic checks with Social Security representatives ensure that your claim remains accurate and that you are not missing supplemental benefits. Regular monitoring is particularly important for divorced or surviving spouse benefits because these categories are complex and influenced by multiple factors. Staying informed and making timely adjustments can result in additional back pay and improved monthly income. Maintaining an active approach to Social Security benefits ensures maximum lifetime benefits and financial stability during retirement. Avoiding mistakes through education. Understanding the rules surrounding Social Security benefits prevents costly mistakes. Common errors include filing based on current payments rather than PIA, misunderstanding eligibility criteria, and mismanaging filing order. Taking the time to learn the regulations, consult with Social Security, and verify calculations ensures accurate claims. Protective filing dates and careful documentation help prevent lost benefits, particularly for divorced or surviving spouses. Educating yourself about these rules and maintaining awareness of potential changes allows you to capture every dollar to which you are entitled. Proactive learning and careful filing strategies are essential to fully utilize Social Security benefits, safeguard financial security, and avoid unnecessary delays or reductions in monthly income. Maximizing lifetime benefits. Proper planning and strategic filing can significantly enhance lifetime Social Security income. Every decision, from timing your claim to checking eligibility regularly, can influence the total amount received. Personalized planning, considering your unique circumstances, helps ensure maximum benefits while minimizing reductions. Regularly consulting with Social Security and reviewing primary insurance amounts allows you to take advantage of new opportunities as they arise. By staying informed, planning strategically, and acting proactively, you can ensure that your Social Security benefits provide reliable financial support throughout retirement. Effective use of these strategies strengthens your long-term financial position, offering stability, peace of mind, and a stronger foundation for retirement. Conclusion: Social Security spouse, divorced spouse, and surviving spouse benefits are crucial for maximizing retirement income. Understanding primary insurance amounts, eligibility rules, timing strategies, and protective filing ensures that you do not miss opportunities for additional income. Small adjustments in strategy, such as delaying benefits or using protective filing, can result in significant long-term gains. Regularly reviewing eligibility, staying informed about potential changes, and taking proactive steps allow you to capture every dollar available. Social Security is designed to provide financial support in retirement, and careful planning ensures that you fully utilize the benefits you have earned. Taking these steps today secures your financial future and provides long-term peace of mind during retirement.